All right, welcome to part 2 of LUMNAH Acres Tiny House. We're still at the shop here. We'll be here all this week. We're loading the zip sheathing right now for the walls. We're getting ready to cut rafters for the main part of the house, of the tiny house, and we'll run those over. So we're taking our first load to the job site, and we'll get to see Al and Gina this afternoon. Today is Wednesday, so we're anticipating being there, actually building next Monday. Today it's going to be cutting wall plates, top and bottom plates, cutting studs, assembling. We'll be building here and loading the second load onto the trailer. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a fun job. Looking forward to it. So hang on for the ride. You almost hit my leg. Move. He says move. Some assembly required. Last one. We jokingly noticed this has a 30-year limited warranty for the sheathing. And so we were talking, what are you going to, after 30 years, do you have to pull the siding off and windows and everything else and replace the siding, or the sheathing?
Perfect.
Whoa! Very agile.
Put a can up, Mark.
Okay, so Chad and Dan are inside cutting rafters. I wanted to just show you what it's going to kind of look like overall. There's a couple of surprises in this. I just spoke with Al this morning. We've been texting back and forth, making sure we've got all the details correct. And so I wanted to go over that with him. But basically, we'll be having a building 38 feet. On the left side, as you're facing it from the front, the wall is going to be 8 feet high. Then we come in 10 feet. This not to scale, of course. That will be a 10-foot wall. All the way across, at the main part of the building will be 10 feet. So it will be something like that. The rafter is going to be at a 45-degree angle. Something like that, with a 1-foot overhang on each side. We'll be cutting, we're putting the rafter tails on, even though it's going to be covered, this side it'll be covered by the addition. So this will be a 12-12. This roof pitch will be 5-12. I just talked with Al this morning, and you all know that he had poured concrete over here, 10 feet wide, the same as this, and he just allowed us to have the honor of building that for him, with him. I'm really excited to work with him. He's a really nice guy. So this will be an 8-foot wall, I believe, as we've talked about it. So it'll be symmetrical, much better than my drawing, but it'll give you that effect. This is going to be open. There'll be posts out there to, so it just can be an open area. There's going to be, centered in here will be a 32 by 36 window, double hung. There'll be a 36-inch man door here. Pretty sure it'll have glass, doorknob and so on. Then another, again, this is not to scale, another 32 by 36, same, doing them all the same across the bottom. There'll be 2 over here. 32, 32, 36 high. And in the center will be a 7-foot high, 9-foot wide. Whoa, that's out of scale. Sorry. 9x7 door. 9x7. Upstairs will be 2 egress windows. They're larger. Again, I'm sorry about the proportion. 36. We'll be putting on pine fascia boards. On the roof we'll have ice and water shield. We just loaded that on the trailer this morning and we're taking it over there this afternoon along with the rafters and most, at least all of the downstairs wall sheathing, the zip sheathing. So that's pretty much the front. On the back side, there are no windows downstairs. This side there's no windows, and this side there's no windows because they have some special things planned inside, and I don't even know exactly what they're doing. I know roughly. This will be an interior wall that goes the full depth out of 2x6, and that will be sheathed so that that can bear the eye joists that come all the way across here. So that it'll be all clear span in here. Okay, so that gives you a rough idea of this. Let's erase this. That's just going to be open over there. So as you're looking, if you're looking down, whoop, got a window here. It'll be 24 by 38, and there will be this wall here. There's going to be a couple of large openings. I'm not sure, I can't remember exactly where. Like 6 foot wide, either sliding glass door or French doors, somewhere in this area. So you have the entry door here, 2 sliding glass doors. This is kind of the utility room area, and then this is all just a large work area, partially. There will be stairs to the back. I believe they were going to be over in this area, where you come up to a platform and go the rest of the way upstairs. This will be all wide open for whatever they want to do in there. It's going to be fun talking to them about it and see exactly what they do with this area. We have a floor drain, I believe it's dead center, that we've already poured. So there you have that. Here we are, heading up onto LUMNAH Acres. You talk about out of the way, we're out of the way. I've seen blue heron cross through here on a previous trip up in when we poured the concrete. If we see Bigfoot, we'll let you know. That was Bigfoot warning. We'll keep looking. I think I had mentioned Al's got a surprise tool that we're going to be using. He just got it. Should make life interesting. I mean, easier and interesting. Whoa! All right, we have a load that we're pulling on the trailer. We'll have to figure out where we're going to offload it.
Bring that probably the next trip. Are you guys working on the walls today? Tomorrow? Probably tomorrow. We cut the plywood starters. We usually do 3s and 5s. Okay, yep. And 4s. Look at that. No, I was hoping they were going to be able to put it right on my trailer. We got one of the crates, which had 10 panels. The other crate had 30, and we didn't dare lower it onto the trailer, so I had to open up that crate and lower them on by hand. I can feed them over the top. RV on the way over. Had a tractor trailer pulled over. Yep. I haven't, well, Dan was driving one.
Last week here.
With a pickup truck or an 18 wheel?
This.
They stopped you?
Yeah. I'll take a look. Right there, stop.
Oh.
Yes, it was for commerce. Yes. Okay. Leave the space. Nope. Okay.
Dan drove 16 years for Cabot Creamery. Yep. They hurt for drivers this year?
Oh. They're always, it's always hiring. Always looking to hire.
Yep.
I don't know.
We are heading back to the shop to finish out the day, get started on walls, and start doing wall layouts, cut studs, all that stuff. So we beat the snow today. It was snowing some on the way over. Pretty cool. All right, what a beautiful day. So it's November 3rd. They said there's a chance of snow in the air. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be more coming about the LUMNAH Acres tiny house build. Please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, watch it again if you liked it. So thanks. We'll see you later.